Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show memory status in the recent tab on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, here I am gonna show you the recent tab on my device. Okay, and then to show memory status on this device, here you can open the settings menu. And then scroll down. Well, after that, here you can select home screen option. And then scroll to the bottom. Okay, and then you can turn on this button. Well, and then your memory status is successfully appear in the recent tab. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show memory status in the recent tab on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.